Meet the 2007 LaCrosse. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.8-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual power mirrors, Inside you'll find cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power driver's seat, tilt steering wheel, leather interior, climate control, front bucket seats, rear defroster, AM/FM stereo radio. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.